Hello and welcome to Omron. My name is Stefan Dreger. I work as Key Account Management in Central European region, and I welcome you to the Omron world. What do we have news? You see right behind me the system X850, in which we hope to have a solution for the semiconductor market, for things getting more dense, getting heavier, more power needs to be processed, and we need to find an inspection solution. So what we took was our already existing and proven solution with the X750 and basically adapted the process to rely and to conquer the world of inspection for semiconductor and power modules. So with increased power, with more clearance inside the system and a heavier duty transport system, we can cover your demands of inspection of those kinds of materials. And what else is new? I'll show you. Let's move over to the AOI system. For years now, the market has been demanding solutions for things getting smaller, getting more dense, and still not be slower and at best even increase speed. So what we did was improve our proven sensor head technology with a new camera for better field of view, therefore bigger and faster, and also better image quality. This paired with our solder joint inspection algorithms and our MPS to get rid of the secondary reflection, we're well equipped for everything that comes in the future and that is in the current situation. Finding and building a skilled workforce gets harder and harder by the day. And we try, through our automation division, to assist or take over simple activities, or from the inspection system division, we try to make the programming as simple and intuitive as possible. Obviously, that means AI. Everybody's developing in a certain way, and we are not tired of creating ideas and going in exactly that direction to ease the programmer's pain and to be smart and very intuitive with our solution. So what that means, I guess you'll have to find out. Contact us via the website. We are happy to assist, happy to also show you what we have to offer, and also just to report.